Hi. I want to start out by saying thank you to my 9,000 subscribers. I've just hit the 9,000 subscriber mark, and I appreciate all of you, and those of you who have subscribed, and the ones who watch but haven't subscribed. I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join the science. I started this channel years ago, actually around 2013, something like that. And, it took a little bit, but it started picking up. And now my channel has just exploded with subscribers. And I appreciate that. Keep it going. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscriber button and hit all notifications. And I appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.